guys, this is Miwako from Little Kumi Crafts. On today's video, I'll be unboxing an order I made on Etsy on a shop called A Tiny Obsession. The shop sells mold, air-dried clay, deco creams, sauces, and UV resins for your decadent charms. The shop is from Singapore. On this order, I bought the Tamiya Baking Master decoration powder. I have never bought from this shop, so this is like my first try. This powder is used for giving a realistic baked look to your tree charms. It's very popular in Japan and among crafters. Tamiya is a very popular company. It is a Japanese manufacturer of plastic model kits. They went popular with the decadent crafts. They made a huge collection. It's called the Tamiya Decoration Series. When they have the powders, they have the molds, they have the clay, and they have frostings or the sauces needed for, you know, these realistic decadent charms. So yeah, let's start unboxing this powder, and I'm going to also try it out and see how my charms are gonna look. So let's go ahead. Have my scissor here. I hope the powder is not broken. You know, that always happens. I told her to please protect it. She also asked me, so that's pretty nice. Yep, this is empty. Let's take a look here. Oh, it's pretty tiny. This is cardboard. So here we have a look on the packaging. You'll see here. It looks so vintage. Tamiya Decoration Series. You can use it, you can see here, for making a more realistic look to your charms. Here's the logo of Tamiya. And here's the palette. This is the size. It's pretty small. I thought that it was kind of this, but it's like a very like a makeup size. Here we have the Tamiya Decoration Series. It has 3 colors: light brown and dark brown. This is the back of this. I don't. Oh, it has English warning. This worried me because I have seen a lot of crafters doing this with normal clay, with polymer clay, so I'm a little bit scared. On the inside, it also has more warnings. If you can read here, I'm gonna you can pause this. Let's take a look here. So we have Tamiya Decoration Series, Tamiya Baking Master. This is the number. You can find this on many sites. I think this was also on eBay, but they are pretty expensive. I bought it on this shop because I think the price was fair compared to the other shops. So we have the brush. Let me focus. We have a brush. It's actually pretty soft, and we have this part as well. It actually doesn't feel like cheap. That's nice. She put this inside. Oh, nice. They did not came broken. So here's the 3 colors. We have, wow, it's very smooth. Let's use this. It's very smooth. Yeah, It feels very buttery. Very, very smooth. These are the 3 tones. We're going to try them out. So give me a second and I'll make some charm. So on the website says to use first the brush with the light brown. So when you apply it on your charm, it is more balanced. I use vanilla Fimo for this charms that we're gonna try it on. So let's start with applying a thin coat of light brown. Apply a little bit more. Let's see. I still haven't seen any difference. This one doesn't have texture, so maybe that's why this one is more simple charm. Now it looks a little bit more yellowish. I don't know, you can tell. So it then says you use this side to apply on the brown on the corners. Oops, for more big effect. I have never tried this before, so I'm so skeptical. Let's see how my cookie is gonna look. But it's very smooth. I think I applied too much on this area. Does it look like a cookie? Like a cookie? I'm going to apply a little bit in the middle because it looks too white. Now it looks better. And then it says take a little bit of brown with this tip and go on the corner to make it look more baked. Where's the brown? Can you see the brown? I don't know if I'm doing this wrong or what. Never used this. I just want my realistic cookies. So for now, this is how it looks. If that's a good or bad looking cookie, I don't know. I'm going to try it out with another type of cookie. I made this one. I'm going to do it this time here. Let's put this one aside. Maybe I'm not making a lot of pressure on the cookie. Let me focus again. Can't tell. Again, I'm going to use this one, light brown. Now this one has it is more detailed. It has texture on the cookie. It looks a little bit more yellowish now. I'm pressing a little bit hard on here because it's very, very light. Oops, you can see here on this is coming off a little bit, so careful with that. I'm going to stay here a while. Now it looks more yellow. Now let's try again with the browns. I use this part. Let's see on the corners. Whoa. It does look more baked. Oh my god. Now I can finally make something more realistic. I'm going to pass a little bit in the middle. So I think this looks more better if the cookie has more details, so we can grab more the color. Wow. You see here? Make it. Ooh. So cool. Now let's take the other side and use the browns, the brown one. Make it look more baked. Now I'm going to go very slow on this one. I don't want to mess it up. Oh, I love how it's looking. You can tell on the camera, but it looks more realistic, so it's crazy. Let's use a little bit here to see if it looks more baked in few areas. Just using the tip because I'm scared of making this too dark. Ooh, so cool. Oh my gosh, this is like a very addicting. It's so smooth, like seriously, this goes here very smooth. Wow, I love how it looks. See if I can take it out. Now you can tell here because of my bad lighting, but it's so a huge difference. So this one is on brush. So you can see the difference without any color. This is a female vanilla color, and this one is with all the three colors on the cookie. You can see here I have to put color on this part because it's kind of bluebird, some kind of bluebird. But look at that, it looks so realistic. Wow, it looks so amazing. Still very skeptical with the baking part because this is polymer clay and it says this is very flammable, but I don't know if it's this itself or everything. I'm a little bit scared. I don't want to blow up my house. So also here's the difference with this one. This one doesn't have too many details on the cookie. You see, it's very smooth, and this one has a lot of texture. So I think it looks pretty nice. What do you guys think? It occurred me to try out if I can make this effect with the chalk pastels that I mentioned on my other video, I'm going to see if I can at least mimic a little bit of the tone with the colors that I have, and see if it looks a little bit similar to this one. So I'm going to use this one, the one that I haven't done anything yet. This is the one that I use with the Tamiya. Let's put on the side. I'm going to try to make the same thing, but using shell pastels, similar color to this one. Let's start again with the brush. Let's use the light brown like we used on the Tamiya. Now this one, with this shell pastel, I don't know if it's me, but I see that it has more pigment, or I don't know if I'm trying to rush with this. I don't know, just trying to see if it works or it looks a little bit more realistic like the ones that I try with Tamiya. The hairs keeps falling from this, so that's kind of annoying. You can tell here, but this is just a test, so I'm not gonna worry. So I use the yellow, the light brown. Now let's go with the brown one. Like I said, this is the one that looks similar. Obviously the shell pastel, it is not as smooth as the master ones. It's more hard, but this is feels more high quality. But I do feel like it's painting more faster than using the Tamiya. I don't know if it's me. Now let's use the dark brown to make it look more baked. I don't know, you can tell the baked parts. Let's use more brown, the middle part. Now let's see and compare Tamiya ones with the shell pastels. So, sticky. So we have here and the results with the shell pastels. And then here we have the results with the Tamiya one. It looks, for some reason, I think that it looks more glossy looking than the shell pastels. I don't know if that's me or something, but I don't know if you can tell, but it looks more with more glow looking, like fresh baked cookies or anything than this one. This one looks more matte looking, but still there is a huge difference. This still looks more pale, doesn't have that shine to it. But if you don't have this one, you can also use the shell pastels, but I still love this. This was like $12, the Tamiya. It's small, but I don't seem to have used a lot. and the box of chalk pastel cost me about the same. So you have to see if you prefer to buy this 3 colors only or buy a full palette of chalk pastels. But yeah, that's my review for this Tamiya decoration series, the Tamiya Baking Master. I hope you like it, or I hope you found this helpful. I also wanted to try it baking it. I'm a little bit scared, but maybe I'll post pictures of it and see after bake it. I still have to paint the sides, but yeah, just wanted to try it out and let you guys know if it works, and it does. So that's it for now. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope to see you next time. So bye. Thank you, guys. Bye.